Hey Al, we're going to talk about an oil that is so familiar to everybody that sometimes we forget to talk about it. And that's why I'm going to bring it to you. And that is lemon and lemon vitality by Young Living. Now remember, when I hold up the two bottles, one is labeled for ingestion, one is labeled for topical and aromatic use. That is simply a requirement by the Food and Drug Administration. Young Living has worked with them and brilliantly devised a way so that when we see this white label from across the room, we know, hey, that's an oil that's safe for ingestion. So it takes all the guesswork out of it. But of course the oils in this bottle and in this bottle are the exact same. They probably come from the very same vat of oil. How you use them in your own home is up to you. But we're just going to discuss all the applications. So I'm going to show you both of the different bottle options and the bottle size options that are available to you. So lemon, who doesn't love lemon? Everybody is very, very familiar with lemon. We use it, we zest the rind to put into our baked goods and into our cooking. And I want you to know that when we are getting a lemon essential oil, this is actually not being distilled in those big cookers with the steam. The lemon and any citrus oil is actually cold pressed from the rind, just like when you're zesting an oil on your grater at home and those oils are kind of spurting everywhere and it smells like heaven. Well, the same thing, they take the rinds of the fruit and they just take this industrial hydraulic press and just push down and just squeeze them to a pulp, and all the wonderful goodness from the oils of the rinds goes running out. So that's exactly what you're getting in these bottles. Well, let's talk about some of the properties of lemon. First of all, here's just a cool little factoid. It takes 75 lemons to fill one of these bottles, okay? When you take one drop of lemon oil, it's like taking the rind of about 7 lemons. So don't go throwing your lemon, into the water like 7, 8, 12 drops. That's a whole lot of lemons. We don't need that much. Remember, a little goes a long way when it comes to essential oils because they are so concentrated. One of the best uses for lemon oil, lemon vitality, of course, is cooking and in the kitchen, whether it's cooking, baking. Use it in place of anything you'd use lemon zest for, whether it's going to go into salad dressing or it's going to go into your cookies, into your frosting, into whatever it is that you're going to use lemon for. Of course, vitality oils are amazing in the kitchen. When we talk about topical aromatic, lemon is a very invigorating, refreshing, brightening oil. And I want you to think real quickly, and this is something I love to hammer on about, is that when you look at the plant itself, you look at the regions that it grows in, the climate, the plant's temperance, its stature, its nature, all of those properties are being passed on to you. So think about citrus fruit, whether it's orange, tangerine, lemon. They grow in these bright, sunny, warm, wonderful, almost celebration type of climates, right? The places that people go for vacation, that is where these plants grow naturally. So of course, they're bright, they're sunny, they're exciting, they're bursting with flavor and aroma, and that is passed on to you. When those oils, the essence of the plant is being captured and put into these little bottles, that upliftedness, that joy, that vibrance, it all gets passed on to you. They're capturing the sunshine and putting it in a bottle and handing it to you. I just love the thought of that. And the same is true if you're talking about a root oil. It's going to be this earthy, deep grounding sensation. All the different plants have these different properties. So it's just a really cool thing to think on, is where does the plant come from? What is the plant all about? What are the properties of that plant that are going to be in this bottle? So as for the vitality oil, my other favorite way of using it besides with cooking is to actually put it in a drop of water. It's amazing detox for your liver, your kidneys, for your renal system, which is your urinary tract, right? So lemon is a plasticizer in that it will go in and scavenge molecules of plastic and things that are laying around inside your body. We all know now that the studies have come out, like even if you're drinking organic milk, the PVC pipes and the piping that they use at the milk factory, little molecules of plastic are being passed along into your milk. When you buy a water bottle from the store, disposable water bottle, that plastic is going into you. We have a lot of plastics in our body, not to mention all the other ways that we get them. So lemon is really, really great because it eats the plastic. And on that note, if you're going to take your lemon vitality and put it into your water bottle, please don't put it in a plastic water bottle. Why? Because it's going to eat away at the sides of the plastic. You'll find even in your hard bottles like a Nalgene bottle, whatever, the lemon oil will eat away at the inside and it'll leave it pitted. Well, those little molecules that it's eating away are going into the water and then they're going to be ingested into you. So let's just avoid that altogether. Let's not put any more plastics in our body than we need to. Get yourself a stainless steel water bottle or a glass one whenever you're going to use especially lemon oil. Now, lemon does have an incredible property as a degreaser as well. So yes, it's going to eat all the plastics and it's going to really be a great detoxing oil for inside of our body. I have used the topical application, for example, it's going to eat adhesives up just like it eats so I would not take lemon and put it on a fresh coat of paint. It will eat that paint away. I have taken lemon, for example, I've gotten those like sticky hooks, you know, that you put on the wall, and sometimes you pull the hooks down and it leaves this sticky, resinous, you know, adhesive gunk on the wall. Lemon oil to the rescue. I've just put a little on my fingertip, rub it in, and that adhesive stuff would just melt right away and peel right off. So this is a very powerful oil. A lot of people love to add a couple of drops into cleaning and degreasing and using on their countertops and whatnot. But it's also an amazing oil for lightening and brightening the skin. Now, it can be photosensitive, so do not put lemon oil on your face and then go lay in the sun. You guys all know those people who, I was one of them in high school, would put lemon in our hair, which is amazing because I could actually get blonde at one point in my life using lemon oil, right? It's photosensitive, so that hair would actually lighten. Well, it's going to not lighten and brighten your skin. It's going to cause you to burn. So if you're going to use lemon, use it where the sun don't shine. Well, not all the way where the sun don't shine, but you know, you don't want to lather it on your face and then go out in the sun. So it's really a great oil to like use in the evening, but it's an amazing oil, aromatic, like it's light and bright and uplifting. So throw it in your diffuser, throw it into your cleaner, mop your floors with it. It works in so many different ways. So you're gonna absolutely love lemon oil. It's one that I am constantly reordering because I just can't get enough of it. It does so many different things. Let's see if I'm missing anything. I pretty much think I got it all. Lemon is found in the Thieves household cleaner as well. It's in the Thieves blend as well as all of the different Thieves products. A lot of people love to plus the product up with a little bit of extra lemon. Lemon's also really amazing on your wool dryer balls, right? Get those dryer sheets and those toxins out of your house. Throw a little lemon on the wool dryer balls and your laundry will smell like heaven. And what's beautiful is that lemon is not an expensive oil compared to some of the others like rose, neroli, jasmine, what have you. Lemon is a very, very, very affordable oil. It's a very versatile oil. It can be used so many different ways. It's an oil you should definitely not do without. Talk to you later.